When most people think about selling cars, they imagine giant factories, huge machines, thousands of workers, billions of dollars in investment. Companies like Ford, Toyota, or Mercedes-Benz. And because of that, many people believe selling cars is a business only for the wealthy. But here's something that may surprise you. Thousands of people around the world make money selling cars without owning a factory, without manufacturing a single vehicle, without creating a single engine. In fact, some started with almost no inventory at all. So how do they do it? And could an ordinary person start doing the same thing? Let's find out. Chapter 1. The biggest misunderstanding. Most people think you must produce a product to sell it. That's not true. Think about supermarkets. Most supermarkets don't manufacture the products they sell. They simply connect products with buyers. The same principle applies to cars. Many successful car sellers are simply middlemen who connect buyers with vehicles. And they get paid for creating that connection. Chapter 2. The car broker model. Imagine your friend wants to buy a car, but he doesn't know where to find one. You locate a seller. You negotiate a price. You help complete the transaction. For your effort, you receive a commission. This is called car brokerage. You don't own the vehicle. You don't manufacture it. You simply help facilitate the deal. Many people earn money this way because buyers often value convenience and expertise. Chapter 3. The used car opportunity. Now let's take it a step further. Many successful dealers started by buying used vehicles. Not expensive luxury cars. Simple, affordable vehicles. They inspected them, improved their appearance, fixed minor issues, then sold them at a profit. The goal wasn't huge profits on one car. The goal was consistency. One car becomes 2. 2 become 5. 5 become 10. Over time, a small operation can grow into a serious business. Chapter 4. The digital revolution. Years ago, selling cars required a physical lot. Today, the internet has changed everything. People advertise vehicles online, market them through social media, generate leads through websites, create content showcasing available inventory. Some businesses don't even own large showrooms. Their online presence becomes their showroom. The internet has reduced many of the barriers that once existed. Chapter 5. The skill that makes the difference. Most people think the secret is finding cars. It's not. The real secret is trust. People spend significant money when purchasing vehicles. They want confidence. They want transparency. They want honesty. The sellers who build strong reputations often outperform those who focus only on quick profits. Trust creates referrals. Referrals create customers. Customers create long-term business. Chapter 6. The real lesson. The lesson isn't just about cars. It's about business itself. Many successful businesses don't manufacture products. They distribute. They market. They connect buyers and sellers. They solve problems. That's where value is created. And value is what generates income. You don't need to own a billion-dollar factory to participate in the automotive industry. You don't need to build engines. You don't need to design vehicles. What you do need is knowledge, relationships, trust, and the ability to connect the right buyer with the right vehicle. Because in business, the biggest opportunities often belong not to the people who create products, but to the people who help those products reach customers. And that's how many ordinary people build successful businesses selling cars without ever owning a car company.